My final question is for Dr. Carnathan, and it has to do with clinical trials, making clinical trials more inclusive of women and minority groups has been an issue that Senator Warren and I worked on and became part of the 21st Century Cures Act. But we know that many older Black Americans are reticent to participate given past medical exploitations, such as the misappropriation of cancer cells belonging to Henrietta Lacks, for example. So, my question to you, Doctor, is what recommendations do you have to help ensure that clinical trials are more representative of those who face the highest risk of COVID-19?
Thank you so much for pointing out that significant challenge that we face when it comes to making sure that the therapies that we develop work for everybody. There are cases throughout history where we have shown that not including women in clinical trials left us with a gap in understanding about the biological mechanisms of action of a given drug. I think we're in a similar, we face the risk of being in a similar position here when we talk about vaccine trials for managing and preventing the infection. And the ways that we have worked to try to engage communities to participate in observational research are the partnership strategies that I described earlier. I think we need to start that now so that we can prime communities to be ready to partner with the medical and research establishment so that we can test strategies that will protect us. I think messaging around a shared sense of responsibility to protect ourselves may help to motivate individuals who may be reticent to join. I think putting forth faces that the community trusts, the faith-based faces that Dr. Jones mentioned, engaging federally qualified health centers, as well as HBCUs, can help to lend a bit of understanding and trust. And finally, really seeing the investigators behind this work. We do have a diverse biomedical workforce. It's not as diverse as we would certainly like to have, but there are key individuals out there who represent the very communities who are the hardest hit. I think putting these individuals at the forefront of messaging the shared responsibility that we have to participate in science will help us achieve our goals of developing therapies that work for all.
Thank you so much.